Hello and welcome back to our health channel, where we share nature's hidden secrets for better living. Today, we'll be talking about one of the most powerful herbs found in many homes across Africa, scent leaf, also known as Ocimum gratissimum. This simple leaf does more than add aroma to your meals. It carries a wealth of healing properties that can improve your health in amazing ways. Let's dive right into its incredible benefits. 1. Improves digestion. Scent leaf is rich in compounds that help relieve bloating, constipation, and stomach upset. It improves bowel movement and promotes a healthy digestive system. Drinking scent leaf tea or chewing the fresh leaves can ease indigestion and even reduce heartburn. 2. Controls blood sugar levels. For diabetic patients, scent leaf is a natural blessing. Studies have shown that its active compounds help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications and improving overall health. 3. Boosts heart health. The antioxidants in scent leaf help lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. This reduces the risk of heart diseases like hypertension and stroke. Adding scent leaf regularly to your meals may keep your heart strong and healthy. 4. Strengthens immunity. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, scent leaf protects the body against infections. It helps fight common illnesses like colds, coughs, and fever, making it a natural immunity booster. 5. Improves oral health. Chewing scent leaf or rinsing your mouth with scent leaf extract helps eliminate bad breath and fight harmful bacteria in the mouth. It also strengthens the gums and keeps your teeth healthier. 6. Relieves pain and inflammation. If you suffer from arthritis, menstrual cramps, or body aches, scent leaf can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties provide natural relief from pain and swelling. 7. Supports reproductive health. Traditionally, scent leaf has been used to improve fertility and reproductive health in both men and women. It helps balance hormones and is believed to enhance libido naturally. 8. Promotes healthy skin. The antimicrobial nature of scent leaf makes it useful in treating skin infections, acne, and wounds. Applying scent leaf juice on the skin can help clear blemishes and speed up wound healing. And there you have it, the powerful health benefits of scent leaf. From boosting immunity, controlling blood sugar, to improving digestion and skin health, this humble leaf truly deserves a place in your daily life. So next time you cook or make tea, remember to add scent leaf for both flavor and wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.